Let's talk about what is going to happen in conversion. Then you will be able to understand it. In conversion, I'm having here my ECC system. Here I'm using my SD credit management. And I'm going ahead with S4 HANA. Here I need to have a FSCM credit management. And I would be going ahead with this approach of conversion, right? I would be using SUM plus DMO technical tools from basis team. I would be converting my ECC system to S4 HANA system. Here SAP has provided it. There is a finance conversion cockpit is there, which finance team need to handle. And with that cockpit, SAP says that your SD credit management configuration with some manual activity would be involved. After SUM plus DMO has been done, we need to do some activity through the finance conversion cockpit. So your SD credit management can be converted, the configuration can be converted into the FSCM credit management with the simple mapping of your credit segment with a single credit segment. You would be able to convert into the FSCM credit management. Here you was maintaining the credit limits for your customer, like FD31. That also can be converted here. Here we will be maintaining against the business partner. We will be having a FSCM. We will be having a specific role for the credit management. And the credits would be maintained under your segment. I will talk about the segment. This credit limits would also be able to adopt with the few additional steps, few additional program, which has been given in the financial conversion cockpit. You would be able to convert your segment. You would be able to convert your credit limits into the business partner credit limits, okay, against the segment. That part you would be able to get it done. So if that is done, then what is the problem? Now, this part is good if you are using a standard SD credit management, if you have not done the enhancements, if you have not integrated with the additional external system for your credit management, then this is good. You need to do some additional steps and you would be able to convert your SD credit management during a conversion project to the FSCM credit management. If you are going with the greenfield implementation, then anyhow you need to put the data from the scratch, then you will be directly putting it for the FSCM credit management. But here the problem would be coming for the customers. The customer who is having a lot of custom objects here. During the credit checks, you have done a lot of enhancements here. You have done a lot of G codes here. That cannot be adopted. That cannot be adopted to here because this object is completely, this ABAP object is completely different. So these enhancements, these Z codes, you need to redo in S4 HANA. You will require to redo in S4 HANA. You need to do the enhancements or the custom codes. You need to rewrite on the FSCM object. On the FSCM object, you need to do it. Okay, that would be the impact on the conversion. What I suggest to the businesses, if they are clear, we are going to go ahead with the conversion and we are going to go ahead with the next year, I suggest them they can do a pre-projects. The implementing of FSCM need not to happen in S4 HANA. You can implement your credit management within the ECC. Here itself, you can activate FSCM in ECC. You can do a pre-project in ECC, activate FSCM credit management, and have a go live of FSCM credit management within ECC so that your transition to S4 HANA will become smoother. Your business user would already be knowing that, okay, they need to use FSCM credit management. All the maintenance has been done against the segments. Everything has been maintained against your business partner. And then you would be able to easily move from ECC, FSCM credit management to S4 HANA credit management through the conversion. If the conversion is there, then you need to implement in ECC. If you're going ahead with greenfield implementation, No need to do a pre-project. So that would be the impact of conversion in the credit management. I hope you got it. Any question here?